Finished product of the yellow rice and alright guys, and guys, I want to tell you something about fish. I never see so much fly at my window before. Alright guys, as you see, I have yes guys, as you can see, I have my juice. Welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV guys, and in today's video we will be making the fry fish guys, where we'll be using the salt and the pepper as simple seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and have these fishes clean up, cut and season. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm adding my salt. And then I'm gonna get my rice in guys. I'm using 2 pounds rice today guys, which I already washed it. And remember guys, we're making the yellow rice. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my yellow coloring for my rice, which is called Amarillo, but that's the brand right there guys, as you see. So I have my teaspoon, which is a kid's teaspoon. I want to get it out on it. As you see guys, you can see the coloring of it. We need 2 of these for 2 pounds of rice. Each time we do the rice guys. So anytime you see the rice have these type of color guys, it's Amarillo. You're gonna see the final result. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons butter. As you see, the color is started to come to form guys. As simple as that. Some people use curry. I never have tried a curry rice before. You guys could curry it, but Amarillo. Anytime you see the yellow rice, they use Amarillo. It's a food coloring guys. So I'm gonna color it, mix it up for you guys, so you guys could get us understanding and compact your knowledge with the yellow rice. I'm gonna stuff you guys with knowledge. Alright guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the fish. Alright guys, I'm gonna get started with my fish. So I'm gonna put some slices in them guys. As you know how we do the slices, we just use the slices so we could have it properly seasoned. So that's why we go ahead with these slices, and I'm placing them on a plate. I just want to show you how to do the slices. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Yes guys, I'm still slicing the fish. I'm placing them on this plate. And then after that, I move on to seasoning. Alright guys, I'm gonna have them seasoned, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see, I already have my seasoning mix, and this is black pepper and salt guys. If you haven't added this type of seasoning on your fish, go check it out guys. If you do, please leave a comment guys. Tell me how you guys love your fish, what type of seasoning you guys love to have on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning my fish. So I have a new bowl. I'm gonna start seasoning them with that. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have my seasoning placed on the fish. We normally go for the guts mainly with the season guys, to make sure we we have the guts properly. Just like that, guys. I'll do one for you, another one for you guys. So for the guts, you want to get it all up in there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do one more for you guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Yes guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And if it is your first time watching, guys, welcome to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. This is where you get the most healthy meal, guys. Nutritious in a timely manner. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna start frying these fishes. So follow me. Alright guys, as you see, my oil and the frying pan is hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. Guys, if you know what I'm gonna add next, comment. You know what's next. You don't like the video yet? If you're a loyal subscriber and been watching my channel, tell me what's next I'm gonna be added to the oil. Anyone did get it correct, guys? I'm gonna check the time. It was 1:12, so I'm gonna check the time in the comment. So guys, I normally add garlic at this time. Anytime you see I add my oil, garlic. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Look at my rice, guys. Beautiful. That's color right there. That's color. Alright. So stay tuned, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. That's my colored yellow rice. Alright guys, as you see, the oil is ready for my fish. And when the oil is this hot, guys, just be careful, because we're dealing with fire. And alright guys, and we're gonna set that little one good. This one needed to be placed more in the oil because none is not escaping. We ain't using the other seasoning. You hear that? Alright guys, in the meantime, as you see, I have my freshly bought lettuce. I'm just gonna use lettuce today, guys. I'm gonna get a piece of the lettuce, which I have my bowl on the side. So I'm gonna shred it, guys, and this is how I'm gonna shred it. I make thin slices. If you guys have a shredder, you guys could go ahead and use your shredder. And then, guys, I'm gonna shred. Shredding, guys. Remember, you mark it first and then you go ahead and shred. I'm not using no carrots, no tomato. I'm gonna just use the lettuce. And it's already washed, guys. Share the video, like the video, guys. Press that thumbs up button, the thumbs up button, guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have these fish turned. See them, guys? I'm gonna have them turned That's how I flip them, guys, because I'm not getting burned. Ooh, this one is crispy, pretty. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, this one is ready to be turned. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see I have my onion, and this is my onion for my fish. I'm gonna go ahead and have them diced. Slice. Guys, you can slice your onion any way you guys prefer or like. I'm doing it this way so you guys could understand the concept. Now I have a piece of sweet pepper, guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so my fish, they sound like they're done. So I'm gonna let you guys see them. As you see guys, I'm having them drain now. You could know when they're finished. You could know when they're finished, guys. You hear the different sound of the oil. That one needs to go some more. Still gonna remove the scraps. I didn't put it down, guys. I taste it. Alright guys, that's my last fish. That's finished frying. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest in, guys. The oil is very well hot. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I did go ahead and finish cutting my natural seasonings, so I'm gonna go ahead and have them placed in the bowl. That's my natural season, guys, that I did go ahead and plate in the bowl. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little secret, guys, for the fish. Even though we have sauce, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of the oil. I want you guys to pay really close attention. Alright guys, as you see I have my vinegar. If you see where I'm going with this, guys. So now guys, I'm gonna drop a tip of the Worcester sauce. And then you want to go ahead and blend that in, guys. And that's what we call balsamic vinegar. And we're gonna use it for the fish. As you see the texture, guys. Balsamic vinegar, guys. I want you to understand how to make this, guys. You guys could use more, guys could use browning or the Worcester sauce. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys. And guys, I want to tell you something about fish. I never see so much fly at my window before. But guess what? Some of them escape and come in here, but as soon as they come in here, I'm a fly killer. Guys, anytime you're frying fish, you better get ready. You gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta move.
I didn't know this thing so good.
When God gets ready.
I hear that.
Everybody want something else to sing, huh?
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm a
Big singer here.
my green family of all trade, not Jacques.
I hear that.
Guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm on my last set of fish and that's it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the natural season for the fish all sauteed. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I did go ahead and have some of my oil strained because I don't need all that oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my natural season placed in that same oil guys. Because you see the base of the pan have that leftover fried fish. I need that. Alright guys. So I'm just gonna get a little water, not a lot. I'm gonna use a quarter cup of water just to have these sauteed. I'm not making gravy guys. This is not gravy. So stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see, that's it guys. You don't need no ketchup, no browning guys. As you see, we are getting the leftover from the fried fish on it, and then we're gonna have it simmering, I would say 7 minutes, because we don't want the carrot to be completely cooked through. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, as you see, I have right here, I have some fruits. I have ripe banana and mango. You know it's mango time in America too. So I'm gonna go ahead and have these cut up guys, because I'm gonna make a colada, the mango colada, not the pina colada with the coconut milk and the pineapple. You could use the mango colada with coconut milk and the mango. So that's called colada. Alright guys, as you see, I'm just extracting the part that I need, which is considered the pulp. I'll show you how to make this delicious milky drink guys. And anywhere you see that mango and coconut guys, you guys could put in a blender. I have my blender right by me, ready to blend. Guys, this is the best juice. The mango colada. You never see me make this before guys. I'm gonna show you. That's why I'm being so detailed, so you guys could grasp the concept of having it done. For the banana guys, as long as it's ripe. You have overripe bananas, you have ripe bananas, you have turned half ripe. But I prefer to use the fully ripe banana guys. Alright guys, so now I have my banana. Guys, you don't pay attention to the overripe. When it's overripe, that's when it's nicer. Banana, and I'm not talking any fruits. So I go ahead and I have them slice. show you guys. We peer this because I ain't throwing it away. You all know that already. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Alright guys, as you see, I'm using my clean blender. I'm just going ahead to have this place in the blender. I'm not making juice for the whole network, guys. Just want to show you how to get it done. This skin, I ain't gonna let it go away, guys. Jamaica, I'm coming for some mango. I have to take the skin out, guys. I need a bite. You need a bite, Shanika? Guys, if you guys haven't had a mango since the mango season, go grab a mango. Yes, guys, come back to the video. I'm gonna have the blender placed on the motor, and now I'm gonna use my cubes of ice, guys. I need to get this. Oh, they're freed already. You want to get a you want to make it frozen. So I'm gonna add that's 3 cubes of ice. You want to add like 7 cubes of ice, guys. That's 5, 6, 7. And then, guys, you want to go ahead and add your milk. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your milk. You could use coconut milk, sweetened milk, cow's milk, guys. So I'm using 1 cup of milk. So you cover, guys. And then you start blending. So you want to go ahead and add 2 more cubes of ice. So that should be it, guys. Alright guys, that's the finished product of the yellow rice, and the ingredients that I use, guys, as you see, I use Amarillo and butter. I use 2 teaspoons of the Amarillo, and that's how you're gonna get it perfect like that, guys. It's shelly right through. So stay tuned while I have the food plated, guys. Yes guys, as you can see, I have my juice, which I did go ahead and blend, so I'm gonna do a taste test for you. We have to give 1 minute of silence, guys. And that's the result. I have nothing to say, guys. That's the result of this juice. I have no comment. Alright guys. Alright guys. What a lovely looking plate. Marvelous. My belly is yawning. So let's get to it, guys. As you see, I have my yellow rice, which you guys did follow through the video. I have my shredded lettuce, my sauteed natural seasoning, and my fried fish only with salt and pepper, and my balsamic vinegar. Now you know the vinegar is to cut the rawness off the fish. You don't have to have it, guys. So we're gonna have someone do the taste test for you guys today, because I cook it, guys. I don't want to taste it and you guys think I'm capping. So She's gonna do the taste test for you guys.
Alright, guys.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And a meal like this, it's 45 minutes meal, guys.
Oh man, the rice this season is so good. Guys. Oh gosh, you don't want to run away. Oh. Better. You aced that. That meal was aced.
You hear that, guys? They say it's ace, but I don't know what it means.
It means it's good.
See, I go
Really,
with
really good.
I go with anything. It's good. I'm ace anything. I'm straight. All right, guys. You know, do try this meal at home, guys, and tell me your thoughts on it. If you ever had the rice like this before, guys, not the curried rice, but the Amarillo, which is the, you know, a lot of people think it's curried. So, guys, do like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment, and peace out.